What's the meaning of angel food cake? Angel food cake. Angel food cake. Angel food cake. Angel food cake. Angel food cake.
Angel food cake is a type of sponge cake that is made from egg whites, sugar, flour, and flavorings such as vanilla or almond extract. The cake has a light and fluffy texture, with a delicate and airy crumb that resembles the texture of angel wings. Its form is tall, cylindrical, and spongy white. It is a fat-free dessert that is commonly served with fresh fruit and whipped cream. Angel food cake is not only a low-fat option for those watching their calorie intake, but it's also a deliciously airy treat perfect for warm weather.